Welcome to my channel. TP Link Deco BE25 Mesh Wi-Fi Setup Coverage Test. Step 1. Unbox your Deco BE25. Open the box and make sure you have all the items: TP Link Deco BE25 units, power adapters, Ethernet cable, quick installation guide. Step 2. Connect the main Deco. Connect the main Deco to your modem using the Ethernet cable. Plug in the power adapter and wait until the LED starts blinking blue. Step 3. Install the TP Link Deco app. Download the TP Link Deco app on your Android or iPhone. Create or sign into your TP Link ID to begin the setup process. Step 4. Add your Deco device. Open the Deco app, tap Add Deco, and select Deco BE25. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the main unit. Step 5. Create your Wi-Fi network. Choose a Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and create a strong password. Save the settings and let the Deco restart. Step 6. Place the additional Deco units. Position the remaining Deco units in different areas of your home where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Plug them in and wait for them to sync automatically. Step 7. Update the firmware. In the Deco app, check for firmware updates. Install the latest version to improve performance, security, and stability. Step 8. Test your Wi-Fi coverage. Walk around your home while connected to the Deco network. Use the Deco app or a speed test app to check signal strength and internet speed in different rooms. Step 9. Optimize Deco placement. If you find weak signal areas, move the Deco units closer together or place them in open spaces away from thick walls and electronic interference. Step 10. Enjoy fast whole home Wi-Fi. Your TP Link Deco BE25 Mesh Wi-Fi system is now ready. Connect all your devices and enjoy seamless roaming, stronger coverage, and reliable high-speed internet throughout your home. Thank you for watching.